So now you finally finished your assignment, but you don't know how to hand it in on Google Classrooms? Don't worry, I'm here to help you. Hey guys, so today I'm going to tell you about how to put your videos onto Google Classrooms so that the teachers can check your assignments. The first thing that you need to know is that there's actually many different ways that we can do this. But because video files are so large, as you may know, it can take a very long time for students to put them online and a very long time for teachers to download them and check them as well. So today, I'm going to talk about the best way to make checking your assignments easier for everybody. Okay, so let's go through step by step what you need to do. First, please make sure that you have Google Classroom and Google Drive on your phone. Let's begin by looking at Google Classroom. So here are your different classes. Let's imagine the top one is a class. So here we have two different assignments. Let's push the middle button and take a look at the assignments. As you can see, there are two different colored buttons. The gray means that you have already finished your assignment. So I have already handed in my assignment for this class. However, the blue button means that I have not finished handing in my assignment yet. So to hand in your assignment, please go to your photos and find the video that you want to send. I'm going to be sending this video. So now please push the share button at the bottom left corner. From here, because videos are very big, we're going to go to Google Drive. Now Google Drive is ready to go. From here, you are going to choose your account. Please choose your student Hiyoshi account. For this video, I'm going to choose the bottom one, Hiyoshi ALTs. Here is the video file that I want to upload. Before we upload it though, please change the name of your file to your student number and name. This will make it much easier for us to check your work. Once you have done that, please push upload. Now my video has been uploaded and I'm going to go back to Google Classroom. So now let's go back to the class. So the class I wanted was the top blue one. And we're going to go back to the middle button. As you can see, video assignment 2 is still blue. So now I will go to that assignment. And I'm going to go to the bottom. And I'm going to push the plus button and add my file. To do that, I will go to Google Drive. And as you can see at the bottom, here is the video that I sent. So I'm going to push that and hand it in. And there you go. That's how you send a video through your phone. Now let's go to the teacher page and just check to see that the file is in the classroom. So I'm going to go to classwork. As you can see, there is one file that is turned in. And there we go. We're just going to click on it to check to make sure it's okay. There we go, and press play. And there's the file. So as you can see, the file is there, and it's easy for the teacher to access and watch. Okay guys, so I hope that video was helpful for you. If you're still having any trouble or if you have any other questions, please feel free to ask through Google Classroom or through the website. Okay, so that's all for the video. Remember to stay home and stay safe, and I'm looking forward to seeing your presentations, guys. See ya.